This screen is visible to all. We are talking about the math.round method. Math.round. What is the use of the math.round? This function returns the value in the rounded form. Yes, rounded मतलब 0.5 का क्या आएगा, 1 का क्या आएगा, 1.2 का क्या आएगा, that is only round off, which you already know what is the round. Okay, so round off value. Now how it works? It returns in int data type. Now it is very important. Since now as the math methods we have done, that is floor, seal, floor, seal, and power, CBRT, SQRT, all are returning in the double. But round will return in integer or in the long. Okay, it depends. The integer and long, not in the double. Keep remember this. So it returns in int data type. This function returns the value in the rounded form in the integer data type. If the fraction part of the number is below 0.5, it returns the same integer values. Okay, below 0.5. I'm not talking about 0.5. Below 0.5 means 0.5 से अगर कम होगा, less होगा, तो फिर same integer value आएगी, otherwise next आएगी. Okay, see syntax. What is the syntax? Mat dot round, then the value you will pass as the number. So mat dot round 6.25. अभी बोलो क्या आना चाहिए? 6.25. 0.25 है ना, 0.5 से कम है, मतलब कि 6 का 6 रहेगा. Okay, so it will return you 6. It will not return 6.0 because it returns in integer only. Okay, now see the next example. 6.85. अब 0.5 से ज्यादा हो गया ना, हाफ से ज्यादा हो गया ना भाई, 0.5, 0.85, तो फिर 7, not 7.0, only the 7. Okay, is it clear? See the next one. Int n equals to mat dot round minus, yes, minus, round off करेंगे, so it will not give you 3 because it is in the minus. Okay, और ऐसा नहीं है lower और higher देना है. Okay, उसकी next integer value देगा ना. Okay, so that's why it will give you -4. 9.5 को देखेगा. 9.5 means it will increase. Okay, so it will give you -4. Okay, let me show you the demo for this. Here I'm giving system.out.println round. Write these examples. Round. Where is my screen? Round. So mat dot round. ROUND round. 4.8. Okay. Round. ROUND round. Okay, 4.2. Then round. ROUND minus 4.8. Okay, I'm commenting them because we have to see only round. Write all these 3 examples and then see the output. 4.0 should give you 5.0. 4.2 should give you only 4.0. No, not 0 because it is turning in integer only. Keep remember this. Only in the integer. See, let me compile. Execute. Void main. Round. 5, 4, -5. Okay. Means round is the method. Round only is the method which is not returning in the double. Keep remember always this thing. Okay. In the math class, all the methods are returning in the double. Except round method. Round method always return in the integer. If we are passing it in the floor, so it will return in the double. If we are passing in the double, then it will return in long, but the integer value only. Write these 3 examples quickly. Yes. After round, here we are having ABS. This method is used to return the absolute value. ABS always return in absolute value. Okay, it's returning absolute value. Okay, now see that. It returns the depending upon the argument supply. हाँ, अब argument supply means, but absolute का मतलब सिर्फ इतना समझो, it removes the minus sign. You can write it. This function is used to return the absolute value, means only magnitude of the number. Only magnitude means removes the sign. What is the meaning of only magnitude? Removes the sign. Okay. Now, if we are giving mat.abs 3, so it will return 3 only. If I am writing mat.abs minus 2.0, so it will give me 2.0. Means just see the sign, removing the sign. Okay. See that. Demo. Mat dot ABS. ABS means absolute. Mat.abs. ABS 4.8, ABS 4.2, ABS. Okay, so it will give you 4.8 only. It will give you 4.2 only as it is. And this, not -5 or anything else, only 4.8. See that. Compile, then execute, void main. See that round -4. Okay. ABS of 4.8 is 4.8 only. ABS of 4.2 is 4.2 only. ABS of -4.8 is also 4.8. Okay. Now here I'm giving you this. Same thing. Same two things. Without decimal means without double. Integer parameter if I'm giving. Okay, it is 42, it is -48. Okay, so what should it return? We'll check it. Compile, then void main. See the last two, 42 only, because as I have given integer, 48 as I have given integer, just removing the minus sign of the 48. Okay, clear? It is very easy. Just you must know the meaning or use. Okay. Then next is rint is done. No, rint is left. rint, yes, it is also very important. This function returns the truncated value of the number, the integer part of the fraction number. Okay, when the fraction part is less or equal to 0.5, it returns the next higher और वैल्यू फॉर दी मोर देन 0.5. हाँ देखो, आर इन और डबल, सॉरी, राउंड का डिफरेंस बहुत ध्यान से सुन लो. आई विल नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन, वी विल नॉट हैव मोर टाइम. सो राउंड इज व्हाट गिविंग, अगर 0.5 से लेस होता है तो वो उसी को इंटीजर रखता है. इफ इट इज इक्वल और हायर देन द 0.5 तो नेक्स्ट इंटीजर रिटर्न करता है, मगर इंटीजर की वैल्यू रिटर्न करता है राउंड. बट आर इन हमेशा डबल में रिटर्न करता है. बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन राउंड एंड आर इंट, ये डबल में रिटर्न करता है, और लेस और इक्वल तो भी वो नेक्स्ट ही रखता है. मीन्स अगर आर इंट में 0.5 रखा है तो भी वो लोअर पार्ट ही देगा. ओके, जबकि राउंड में 0.5 होता है तो नेक्स्ट हायर इंटीजर पे पहुंच जाता है ना. ये 0.5 के बाद राउंड ऑफ करेगा. ओके, सो सी दैट mat dot rint 6.25. okay, so only 6.0, not 6, because it returns in double only. rint 6.85, then it will give you 7.0. then okay, I'll tell this in the demo. See that ये round है ना, same comparison with the round. Control V, at the place of round I am writing rint, 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 and rint. Okay. Now here I am giving the comparison of the round and rint. See that. Compile. And then void main. See that 5, it is giving 5.0 because it returns in double. 4, it also returning 4.0. -5, minus 5.0. This is -4, this is 4.0. Same, just what is the difference? It returns in double. One more difference. If here I'm giving like 4.2 was there, no? We'll check with the 4.5 in the round. Control V, round 4.5. Okay, and see what it's showing. And then here again one more, this rint of 4.5. See the difference, 4.5, right? Now see, compile, execute it. Void main. See that round is giving 5. Okay, 4.5 ka, but rint is giving 4.0. Understood the difference? Here, ye 4.5. Okay, if we are giving here 4.5, so it is only giving 4. But here, if we are taking 4.5, then it will give me 5. Clear? Is it clear to all? 5.0 here. Here is 4.0. Here is minus 5.0. And here minus 4.0. But this is also the difference. This is also the difference.